Hello, this is strange lighting. Hello.
I'm Annabelle.
I'm James.
We're just as wondering.
We're both in fleeces.
We're both in fleeces. See you later.
Hashtag old people.
Yeah, and it's freezing. Well, it's not freezing, it is all here. But it's tipping down outside and we are fitting our
Bed.
bed.
So we did it the IKEA way. But I wanted...
If you know that.
Yeah, so we'll show you the IKEA way, which is like a simple way, but we wanted it raised a little bit more, and in the Sprinter, you'd have to fix it to these, which are not too low, it's actually quite a nice height.
It's like
We
you've
want
just
it a little bit higher, so that we can...
I want a good garage in this van.
We'll have a good garage, and then we can
Be close
look
to
out the window. So hopefully this is going to come here. We're going to have another one across here. We'll show you how we fix this, and then the mattress will be on top here, so you get to right here, and you'll be able to roll over and out the window.
That was way too fast, but yeah, you get the gist. But yeah, anyway, we are fitting a mid-beam just like this here.
This is basically a scaffold.
Yeah, but it's not, but it is. And then we got the fittings from IKEA. You have to order them separately, they'll be in the description. And the mid-beams, which I'll show you as well. And they're going to go on this to raise the bed. I'm going to go to this side, so let's show you how we do it.
So we're doing small double, so this is 4 foot, small double. We're going to, what are we going to do? Yeah, we're going to fix the other one to this side. All I have done is drill some 8mm holes through the wood into the bracing in the van. I'll do a lot more so it's stronger. It's already pretty strong to lock the whole van. And then the beams across the top will lock into it. And then put another beam across the top, and that will like really lock itself together. So let's go.
From where your guides are, to make sure you're not going to hit the van. You're not going to hit down here, you want to hit like in the middle of this safest place, and then you need to go along and actually pilot drill and make your bigger holes for your nuts and bolts. So as you can see, Jim's just actually tightening up the what they call nuts and bolts to secure the piece of wood, and then you actually bolt your these brackets on, and then the struts actually fit into this to create a solid sheet. It is 230 now. I'm just going to try a beam. Put your weight on it.
Not yet.
There's a beam here. It's just not fixed in yet, so let's get it fixed in. So what you're left with, now you've done what you've done, is bolted in these, screwed in the end ones, and you've got raised beds. Now we just need to put these mid-beams on and pull them out, and that will be the bed slats in, I think. So this is one of the mid-beams, and they literally just pull here to expand. Quick, battery's dying. And it's in. Quickly put the rest in and show you. Okay, this is what it looks like with the beams in. I'm just gonna put the slats out. Trying to I forgot to do the vlog. End the vlog. So I'm just looking at the making the bed vlog, and you can see that we've put slats in, put the mid-beams in. We forgot to film the rest. My camera was dying, so what we did was we laid the slats out and then we screwed them in and cut what we didn't need off to make us more double bed. So we really hope you watched. We really hope you enjoyed watching this video today, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.